Hello friends, my name is Aditya. You're watching WebCoder and today we are going to talk about what is regression and classification. Before that, if you are new to this channel, make sure you watch the whole video, and if you liked it, please share with your friends that want to learn machine learning and also subscribe to my channel. So as you know, there are three types of machine learning. If you don't, you can click on the video link to watch the whole video. To understand regression and classification, we need to talk about supervised learning. As you know, in supervised learning, you have a data set with a given set of features which we called as an input and from which we derived an output. So the type of output we derived will identify the problem, whether it is a regression problem or classification problem. Let's talk about regression problem. In regression problem, your typical output is going to be real numbers, whether positive or negative. Example for regression problems can be predicting a house price or predicting number of t-shirts you should produce. While in the classification problem, your typical output is going to be classes or categories. These are going to be represented by whatever categorical data point you find relative or just simple integers that represent each class. This can be a stuff like predicting what is in the image or whether someone is going to be default or not on their credit card bill. There are many different models you can use for regression and classification problems. So for example, you can use linear regression for regression problem and logistic regression for classification problem. We are going to cover both of these and more in upcoming videos, so make sure you stay tuned for that by subscribing my channel. I hope now you have a clear understanding about regression and classification. If you still have doubts related to classification and regression, you can comment it out. I will answer your questions. Till then, share knowledge to gain knowledge. Yeah.